Chef Marco, and today I will show you my linguine with clams. We have here linguine pasta from Italy, live clams, garlic, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, and a beautiful glass of dry white wine. I will show you a little bit of preparation. We are gonna chop the garlic and the parsley, and in the meantime I'm gonna drop the pasta to cook in boiling salty water. Okay, our pasta now is cooked al dente, so you still have a bite. I'm gonna strain the pasta from the water. And I'm gonna start to make our clams sauce. For the clam sauce, we do need a pot, some garlic, go straight in the pan, on the fire, extra virgin olive oil, garlic is ready, clams ready. We have a glass of wine, and we let our clams open nicely. As soon as the clams are open, we are ready to add our pasta and finish the dish. Clams are almost open, so we are ready to add our pasta in and finish to cook the last couple of minutes with our clam sauce. Finish to add some black pepper, our chopped parsley, generous olive oil, and pasta is ready to serve and enjoy.